Yeah, Gaza Nation. Me not hear them a talk about nothing too tough. Or them a go on like say nothing a go on over the weekend, Gaza Nation. All the people them a go on up on the toe. Like nothing a go on last weekend or nothing like that. Alright, here what go on. The world it's not a plan. Watch what go on. Carefully, you know. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what go already, you know, when I come for represent, you know, a full effecting man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, when you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. First and foremost, you know. The man them, you know, jumping and ball out, you know. Say Vybz Kartel never have no hit song, you know. And the people them walk the street, you know. The media outlet them, you know, or Jamaica walk the street, you know, and question the people them, you know, who, you know, them think, you know, get DJ for the ear, you know. And make not one of the media outlet them call Alkaline name, you know. Not one of them, you know, call Alkaline name, you know. No gimmicks not in it, you know. And those Vybz Kartel, Governor, TG and all them names them I call. All know the man them not call Alkaline name in my brethren. And listen good. So some local man, their yard I run up their mouth and I say, well then, them are the new product, them are the big thing, them every song them sing trend and all of them shit there. Ramesh, you know, I tell Lava, you know. So all them money, you know, I go like them a big artist at Jamaica and them never left out of the country yet. So all you for be the face of dancehall and you never go nowhere yet. Go dominate dancehall. You never go nowhere yet. Go bring dancehall to the people them. Nowhere in the world you never go yet. Go bring dancehall to the people them. But you run dancehall. Total hypocrisy. More time you have to just laugh, you know, you see? You see how them go on and how them chat up their mouth and run up their mouth. And you see now the end, you see the type of beat now where them are get. No gimmicks thing that they in it, you know, man. I don't know, no joke thing me I deal with, no formal lollipop thing that they about it. Ramesh said, oh, you have to run dancehall and you never go nowhere yet. You never go nowhere yet, go participate in no form of concert, nothing at all. But you run dancehall, only in your mind, continue run it. Make we show you what we do. Because I don't feel like say a lollipop thing. Make we show you what we do. Yo, what most of you need to do, we love run up on mouth. I want to do what I see the world boss do. Don't post in a project on YouTube. I want to see where it go on. Don't use YouTube to sell on music. Make us see where it go on. So don't drop your song on YouTube. You see what I say? On Jamaica YouTube and make us see what becomes of it. Since you don't feel like say, well then, you're a big artist or you're not that established. You understand what I say? I don't feel like say, well then, you're make the most nice in the country. You know what I mean? And I wanna dominate good. And I wanna dominate dancehall. Make we see how clever and how good una is and how much una support team there behind you. Because most of you know, you don't got to talk about support. It's just nice una make on YouTube, you know. If the music not there on YouTube, una hear una vocal, you know. You see what I deal with? And remember, you know, don't forget this, you know. Say the world boss EP, you know. Move Bob Marley from him spot, you know. So you can't say the man thing no hit, you know. I make sure I rub that now on the face from now, you know. I look on the chart them all over the world, you know, where the thing are dominate, you know. You see what I say? So you just make sure you learn that first, you know. So look from this, I don't want you not chat not hypocrisy, you know, because I notice you love all on Vybz Kartel credit. You see what I say? That is something we want to like though. You know what I mean? And the artists them want to talk about them now do nothing like that. You can't believe it, eh? After all my ear chat and all hype up on yourself and go on. No, none of the media outlet them no mention Alkaline name. Eh? And how some boy go on to Jamaica about a them and this and them and that and Vybz Kartel, Bad Mind and this and that and all kind of shit. And them are the new thing and only for hear rummies and make them know. You cannot run the place and you never come out of the place yet. Which way you run? Continue run around the place, man. I can show you how we deal with it. When I see you clownies, I tell you already, your mouth can't bring one of this success thing when you say go on in a dance hall, you know. When you talk about dance hall, you know, my virgin, and I talk your way into it. Dance hall, you have to put out the work and collect the reward. You see what I say? And the work we not chat about, we have not done nothing like that. But we still want to hype up, we look at self and go like say, well then, we no body. You see what I say? We don't want to try that. Eh? We don't want to don't post music on YouTube and try that. Make the people them have to go buy it over Spotify, iTunes and see what go on. Eh? See, I'm like, I'm afraid for showing a Spotify number. I'm afraid as fuck for do that. No gimmicks not there behind it. So no boy no bring no YouTube artists come to Gaza. Because Gaza established long before YouTube. You see what I say? YouTube come sit down, Gaza run dancehall. So none of them can do about that. You see what I say? No joke thing not there night, no gimmicks not there in my game. You see me, I not laugh with it, and I no joke thing. Now that's why people not really like the way I represent. More time I think I'm too straightforward for YouTube. No gimmicks not there night, because I not go around corner. I not deal with lollipop thing. You don't know a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. You don't know me not easy. I grade my smoke and I not bun baby. So you don't know when time I represent it burn out certain people's heart. You see what I say? Because I go come with a correct truth. You see what I say? And I'm not going to try to mix up no form of lollipop thing in it. I'm going to make you know it as it is. Because when it all said and done, my brother, you cannot change the reality. You cannot change it. No gimmicks thing not there in it. And the reason why I do that video, I want to make certain, say, look from this when you hear JA Radio or certain talk show hosts of them program and I talk about Gaza and the success of that. I don't want to hear no boy I call in and I talk no lollipop thing. You see what I say? The EP already hit already. #1 on iTunes. Numbers all over the world. You see what I say? Yeah, so no gimmicks thing that they in it. I will never post it up on YouTube. But when we finish, ring out them channel over the world. When we finish, ring them out. When we ring it out to the max, when it dry up, we just drop it on YouTube. Take the remainder because so YouTube won't live. Because they make lollipop people douche it and tarnish the man views and tarnish the man trending thing because they go like them and some form of gimmicks thing, the rules and regulations over them thing. It look like people can just get up and go say anything and people black a thing or do what they want to do. But my eyes will make you know anything where Jamaica involved in them can rigmarole it. But once it gone international, boy, you have to keep him bumbo cool and quiet and no gimmicks thing. Him can't do nothing about that. No joke thing that dead about it. When you see the chart them over the world where the Gaza general are run up. Yeah, because the Canadian chart shot. No form of gimmicks not about it. You see what I say? The US iTunes chart shot. No lollipop thing. You know what I mean? You know guys are dealing with the thing already. I don't know joke thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And me dare them. We are chat about them a big artists and them a this and them a that. Me dare them. Don't drop your music on YouTube. Try to drop your music on them out. Let them make us see what go on. Make us see how clever it is. Make us see how tough it is or how dynamic it is. Make us see if the fans true to you. Then, make us see how true the fans is to you. All of them and run on the mouth and I go like you want to trace people. Make us see how true it is to the artist. Don't drop your music on YouTube. You see what I deal with? Go look money with your music. Go over Spotify and them top blood clot streaming company there. Make us see what go on. Make us see if people still are going to acknowledge your thing and people are going to dip in them pocket and take out their money and buy some. You see what I deal with? At them things they want to see. We don't want to hear no tracing thing nor no form of lollipop thing. Because where greatness concerned is no part of that, my virgin. Is just another artist. You see what I say? I know disrespect. At the truth. A whole heap more artists you have like Uno. Uno can't point on a finger and show a next artist like Vybz Kartel. Uno could have searched the Blood Clot Dancehall University or search Ras Clot Dancehall capacity as long as you want and you will never ever find that. No gimmicks not there in my game, I don't laugh for it, and I don't know joke thing I depend, I'm not depend on lollipop thing. I say you can search music industry and you will never come up with a next artist like Vybz Kartel. But uno artist, uno easy for replace, you have a whole heap of artists like uno my virgin. You see what I deal with no joke thing. That means you're not a common artist, my virgin. And no disrespect not dead about it. I just the work I want to put in and the result I want to have. You see what I say? Yeah. No joke thing. And many artists you can talk about like you know. But you can't get up and talk about the next Vybz Kartel because you can't go nowhere else go find that. No joke thing not dead in the joke, in the game. Vybz Kartel are one of a kind artist, sample, dynamic, you see me? Once in every 2 decades, you see what I say? So I bring the regular artist come to me with no form of lollipop thing because you can't chat to me. You're not tough like the Gaza general, no day, no time at all. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks not there in my game, Gaza Nation. You don't know what I represent already, you know. See a real way I deal with it in a Gaza way, there ain't no other way, you know. And that's why, boy, I try, you know, for tarnish, you know, my channel, you know, for make my subscriber them can't get for see my stuff, them, you know. You see what I deal with? My subscriber them can't get my notification. Me don't know what really I go on. But I just feel like, say, I too straightforward and I'm too plain. And just because I'm not easy, the world know I grade my smoke. I'm in a bun beady. Them know my thing is like a brand new thing where you can't believe it. Enough boy that love to try but them just can't do it. And I know gimmicks thing me depend. Me not depend no gimmicks thing, you know that. No lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm big up the 6 them, no lollipop thing. The man them drop some nice song last weekend, and I no joke thing. And Squash Man, they say a sharp like razor. And I know gimmicks thing, Squash Man, me like it. The thing shell way, hotter than we LA. You know, a 10-star the general, you know how I represent already a real way. You see what I say? Yeah, Squash Man say I'm sharp like razor, I'm sharper than Gillette. And no joke thing. You see what I say? I'm a Chronic Law drop a big bad song, you know what I mean? And people I say, well then, yo, La Boss I go like him no love nobody. Now them youth they are dynamic artists, my virgin. Them youth they not sing one style of song, man. That's how you know an artist dynamic, man. Yeah, man. For a man like Chronic Law, more time him drop some song, you can't believe a caliber artist like that drop them song there. Because more while you just feel like say be a hardcore and rough music him used to. No, a dynamic artist, nice song youth. I love it, I don't know joke shit. You see me? And the same goes to Squash Man with the sharp business and a joke thing. You know what I mean? Because you know how we deal with the thing in our Gaza, we represent there ain't no other way. We not have to put, watch you know, we not have to pour NSC in the girl them party cup. If me see a girl body and me want it up, we have the style, we have the profile. We not for rich like Jay-Z, not fabulous. Girl them say we neat like tailor cut. And oh, we sharp like razor cut. When them see we, them leg can't steal a cup. What? 10 star, you know. The general, you know. The people's champion. You hear my Gaza nation? Watch.